Good morning. Well, I'm here at Esthwaite's water this week. As you can tell, I'm a bit groggy, not so well. I'd like to say before we start that whoever follows me on my Facebook page, you'll know that yesterday I got back from Farlow's. I didn't do a blog. I was just too ill, to be fair. So I'm doing one today. I'm at Esthwaite's water for some big roach with a bit of luck. I don't know what time it is. I got here about 9 o'clock, I think. I'm just making a few rigs up for the helicopter rig, and then get them whizzed out. I'm all clipped up, all baited up, and it's pretty much ready to rock and roll. So the two rigs I've done, one's a 3-inch, one's a 4-inch. So I've been on holiday this week and I've been as rough as a bear's ass. This is like my proper day of fishing. The other 2 days I've just not felt like doing nothing when I was fishing. I got there Wednesday morning at 7:30. I felt alright. Got a lot of spomming done, got a lot of my bait out, got my rigs ready, everything else, and then I just come down with an headache. And that headache put me on my ass, so I was in bed for like pretty much all the day Wednesday. Until the early hours of Thursday morning, which I felt a bit better. And then I went and did a bit more. Tried to get on with it, but I had a few roach, I had a couple of good roach, and I had a bream about £8. But I just wasn't feeling it, you know. I was looking forward to not being fishing for a while, I'm not at a van. And what have you, I'm busy with work. And then I go fishing and I'm bloody ill. Unbelievable, Jeff. So, anyway, like I said, I'm at Esthwaite Waters. There's a lot of pike anglers out on the boats that's appeared next to me. They're fishing away with 2 rods. I'm not fishing far out, 11 wraps, but I'm walking out our distance, which I'll show you later, which you'll probably see during the film anyway. It's the same pig I was on the last time I came in winter, December I think I came. And yeah, it's pretty much straightforward. Balls of ground bait, to put 10 big balls out in the spawn, and then I'm just going to fish 2 maggot feeders over the top, helicopter rigs, and see if we can hopefully catch one of those big ones that live in here, and see how we catch on. On the actual rig, you've seen before, but I've knotless knotted it, you can't see, but I've done the knotless knot. I think it's a better hook hold. That's pretty much it. So I'm going to get these out. I'll probably catch up with you all a little bit later. See, I feel a bit rough still, so I'm just going to make a brew in a minute and watch the water. It's a nice calm day. It's meant to rain later on this afternoon. So, yeah. Anyways, I will speak to you all very soon with a bit of luck and tell you how we're getting on. So I'm not hoping for miracles today, I'm just still recovering a little and see what we can do. I thought I need to do your blog, I'm not doing one for a long while due to work reasons and no van. But I'm off not next week but the week after, and I'm hoping to be fully fired and ready to go. And try and get back to Falls. I think do some more bream and roach fishing down there, I think. Touch wood. Maybe even a bit of perch fishing down there too. We'll have to see. So thanks for being patient with me. I'll speak to you all soon, and I'll show you how the day goes on. Wow. I'm just gonna chop some worm up. Got a load of worm, as you can see. Absolute shitload of worm. So I'll put some of them in there. And what we'll do, I'm just going to put just enough in for one feeder. And where's that gone? Come here. Just enough for one feeder, straight out. But I think I might just leave the maggot on this one, to be fair. I've had a little perch so far, nothing massive. But I think what it is, because it's such a big water, and a lot of little fish, I think they're just mugging me off. They're coming in, clearing everything out and buggering off. But I think I'm going to have to put some more bait out. what I'm going to do really quick is just chop some of this worm up. Not going to go too fine with it. Just enough in the feeder, like so. I'm hoping put a few maggots in. They're still live and fresh. They'll wiggle the way out. Give us a second, let's put it out.
Are we okay here?
Yeah mate, yeah, no problem.
Right, cheers. Are you piking?
No, I'm roaching.
Have you had anything?
I've had a perch.
Oh, right.
Right, so that one's out, and this one is just going to be maggots, I think. Let's just have a look. Couple of pikers just there fishing on the boat. Put a few maggots in. Put the rest of these worms in. So bit of a maggot and worm sandwich. Let's put this one out. Maggot untangled. There we are. There we are. Right, let's see if that brings out. I'm only fishing 11 wraps. Obviously I'm standing 2 rod lengths into the water, so you're looking at 13 wraps. It's about 30 foot of water, 28, 29 feet of water. It's what I fished last time, I don't know if you remember. It's actually quite a good swim, to be fair. I do like it. So let's see how we get on. It's about 12 o'clock now actually. So I've been fishing what, 2 hours maybe? An hour and a half, 2 hours. So I got here at 9, it took me about an hour to set up. Yeah, 2 hours. 2 hours. I'm also trying out some new line I've got. I'll probably do, next time I go fishing will be, not next week, the week after. I'll probably do a review for you. It's a new Corda carp line. On these reels I've got £8. It's just like a one-stop shop, you know, not two colours, there's just one, and it's actually quite a good colour. It's actually quite, it's hard to see, if you will. It is a good colour of green actually. So I'll keep you updated with that one anyway. For now, I think I'm going to put the kettle on, and I reckon I'm going to make a brew, because I'm parched. And let's hope this rain keeps off. The wind keeps changing. It was blowing over there before. Now it's blowing over that way. Anyways, I'll speak to you all soon. Oh! Get away. Oh wait. No. A little bit. No. Oh, we've done again. Forget. Right, so it's took the worm. Let's put another piece on. Piece there. Forget. So on, magnet. Still have a chop worm left. That has literally been in 3 minutes. Back out it goes. I've only just put that out and it's gone. Clip. Literally only just hit the deck. What a surprise. There's another Bren. There you go. Get it on the spot every time. As soon as it hits the bottom, you get a fish. Feed are still full of maggots and stuff. Strange. Right spot at right time for you. Oh, look at that. It's got out at net. Get. Slime everywhere. Strange that you go bream fishing, you catch roach. You go roach fishing, you catch bream. That's what happened at Farlow's this week. Get this thing sorted. Get it back out again. You in there. Some more work. Ooh. Like I say, I'm just chopping the worm as I need it. I don't need too much of it. Just need a nice little tail piece. Oh, perfect. Come here. White maggot. And there we have it. Way up. Looks like Houdini's got out the net because it's no longer there. That's the second one that's done that now. Got out the net. We'll get. Right, let's get this back out again. Oh no, she's still there. Right then, I'll show you this bream. This little bream. It's a bit of wobbling. Can you see that? It's nothing massive. So it's more of a skimmer than a bream. Yeah, nope. Snap her away again. Up you go. Been done just then. Little sods. Oh, we are. We've got two fish on here at the same time. I'm honest, I think this thing's still on. I think it's come off. I might still be on. Still on it. This is why you should always have 2 nets. If you don't, find yourself in the shit. Another skimmer. There's one. Hey, blooming hell. There's my... Sweet, that's an uptick cell. It's a little bit bigger resistant, probably about a pound. Another one. Seem to be loving the bait out there, don't they? Right then, I think you have to let me get some stuff sorted because he's been running now 18 minutes. So I think I'll get some more bait out and then carry on fishing, and I'll speak to you all later with a bit of an update. I don't know if you can see me because I think it's a bit dark, but either way. Anyways, speak to you all soon. Right then, that's pretty much me now then. I've pretty much done what I wanted to do. Come out for the day, done the vlog. Had a bit of good sport, you know. But I think it's time for me to set off back. Still not feeling too brilliant. If anything, I'm getting a bit worse. So what I'm going to do, I'll leave this rod out for a bit longer. If it goes off, I'm going to bring it in, and then I'm going to pack up and go home. I'm going to put this rod away now, and what have you, and that's going to be me. Like I say, I'm hoping to have another week off in, not next week, the week after. So I'm hoping that we can try and get back down to Linear or back to Farlows and do another vlog. You know, I'm hoping to be feeling a bit better by then. But I've had quite a good sport today, to be fair. Bream have been between £1 and £2. I've had a few little ones as well. I've had one roach, one perch. I came for the roach really. But a sod law, you catch everything else but what you want. So thanks for watching. Thanks for being patient. But so I was waiting for a new van. That's all it was. I've got my new van now. I can get back out on the road and what have you. And it's coming to that time of year where we're going to get quiet at work. So, and then it'll soon be spring. Do a bit more roach fishing this winter and river fishing with a bit of luck. And what have you. So yeah, good day's fishing anyway. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all soon.